Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to recreate the Google logo in Adobe Illustrator. To start, open a new Illustrator file, go to File and Place, and select the logo. Make sure to check the template option before placing it. After clicking Place, you'll need to resize the template to fit your workspace. Simply adjust the size as needed before you begin tracing the logo. Hold Alt and Shift together to scale down the template uniformly. Once you've resized it, lock the template layer to prevent any accidental movement during the design process. First, long press the rectangle tool to see all the tools in the same family. Select the ellipse tool or press the shortcut key LL to choose it, then draw a circle. Hold down Shift and Scroll while dragging to create a perfect circle. Remove the white fill color by selecting the object and setting the fill to none in the toolbar. This ensures that only the outline of the logo is visible for easier tracing. Press Ctrl+C to copy the circle, then press Ctrl+F to paste it in front. Hold Shift and Alt while scaling down the circle to match the inner circle accurately. The outer circle might slightly misalign with the template design. If you want to match it perfectly, use the Direct Selection tool to adjust the circle. However, you can also leave it as is. In this case, I'm sticking with the actual shape. Select the Line tool and start drawing all the remaining lines to complete the design. Make sure to hold Shift while drawing to keep the lines straight if needed. Now our Google logo is ready. It's time to apply the colors. Insert the logo image as a color reference by going to File, Place, then select the logo and place it inside your workspace. Use the Eyedropper tool to sample the colors from the image and apply them to your design. I copied the circle 4 times for each color. To color them, follow the same steps. Select the shape. Use the Eyedropper tool to pick the color from the logo image and apply it to each circle accordingly. Select all the outlines of the logo, then choose the Shape Builder tool. Change the fill color as needed. To fill each shape, first select the desired color, then click on the areas of the logo where you want to apply that color. Follow this process to fill in all the shapes with their corresponding colors. Hold the Alt key to remove any unwanted lines or shapes. Simply click on the areas you want to delete, and they will be removed from the design. Alright, that's how you can recreate the Google logo in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.